After receiving your certificate of naturalization, verify to make sure no mistakes. If you realize there's mistakes, inform them and correct the mistakes immediately. Make some copies for yourself just in case. The number one thing you have to do after receiving your U.S. citizenship is to get your U.S. passport. If you have your home country passport, you can use it in your home country, but coming back to the U.S., you must use your U.S. passport. At the moment, the fee is $165 to get your U.S. passport, which allows you to travel to up to 194 countries visa-free. Number two thing you have to do is to update your social security cards. A lot of social security have restrictions, so you have to inform them that you are now a U.S. citizen so they can remove that restriction. Number three things you have to do is basically to register to vote. This is not a requirement, but is your responsibility. The number four thing you have to do after becoming a U.S. citizen is to go ahead and sponsor for family member. You can actually go ahead and sponsor for your parents, your siblings, spouse, and children. And number five things you can do after becoming a U.S. citizen is basically to go ahead and request or apply for your kids' U.S. passport and also apply for their certificate of naturalization. Number six thing you have to do is basically to update your DMV driver's license. You have to inform them that you are now a U.S. citizen so they can go ahead and update their records. At the same time, if you change your name when you are applying for your citizenship, you can go ahead and request for a new license with your new names. Also inform Social Security that you change your name so that they can give you a new Social Security with your new name. I'm Luke, immigration lawyer.